What's up guys, welcome to another how to fix your lawn video. And you can see how my grass has gotten a lot better since my first video. It is a lot later, it's about, I don't know, a year or two later, and my lawn has been doing really well. But slowly over time, basically this back part of my lawn has been giving me problems again. You can see where we have green over here and brown over here. And I think that's tied to the soil composition. I think over here, I basically have, you know, regular dirt. And then as we go back towards the fence, the soil is more compacted and more like regular clay, because there is a lot of clay where I live. So ignore this area right here because I did something really dumb. I put my pool cover on our lawn and cleaned it for about 30 to 40 minutes in the really hot weather, and it was long enough to cook the lawn. So I aerated it right here and watered it a lot, and it's coming back well, but that's why this specific area looks kind of bad. I also have noticed that whenever I aerate, things get a lot better, but I have to do it pretty frequently or the grass will quickly start to look bad in this specific section, this back section. So what I'm going to do is apply some gypsum, and this is the gypsum that I picked up from Amazon, and I will have the links in the description, and you can see the links on the screen. So what this does is it helps you loosen compacted soils. It also promotes root growth, and it provides essential calcium and sulfur. And what's nice is it's pelletized for clean and easy application. What's nice about this gypsum is it's powered by AST, so it helps improve water penetration, reduce soil loss, and improve seed establishment if you're seeding your lawn. Now here's the back of the bag if you're interested in that. It talks about how the gypsum will improve the soil structure and loosen the compacted soils, giving you better air and water penetration, which will promote root growth and development for hardier plants. Now in terms of instructions, it says step 1, apply with any spreader. Step 2, water it in. Step 3, enjoy the results. So hopefully we'll be doing that. It also has application rates right here and spreader settings. Now what I'm going to do is apply this and then come back later and show you how it helped, or hopefully helped, my lawn. So the game plan is to take my Earthway spreader. This is a fantastic spreader, by the way. Once you use this compared to some cheaper ones, you'll understand why these cost a little bit more, but they work unbelievably well. And they last a very long time. I had some other spreaders and I could use them for maybe a season or two, and then the gears or whatever, the components inside would start messing up, so I'd have to turn around and buy another one. So highly recommended. So let's get to it. Please excuse my outfit because obviously I'm working on doing some yard work and I'm not going to look the best. Alright guys, so you can see here that I'm spreading the gypsum on the lawn, and I'm using a slightly overlapping pattern and turning off the spreader when needed. You can also see that I'm wearing some long and eye protection, and I can already hear some people making fun of me for doing that, but when I was younger I used to not wear anything, and then I would pay the price at times for the next day or two with spitting stuff up. And with all the things you can see at times where they didn't know something would cause cancer and now it does. So I'm just gonna err on the side of caution. I'm also wearing gloves because anytime I'm doing anything I need to outside of sleeping, I seem to find a way to cut myself. So just being a little extra cautious there. Now after you've applied the gypsum, there is one final step that you need to do, and that is to water it into your lawn. So what I'm doing is running my sprinklers here. I was fortunate enough to have a sprinkler system come with my house. So right now I'm watering my lawn where the gypsum has been applied, and hopefully we get some good results. Now, if you're curious, these are Hunter sprinkler heads, but these are the ones that water your lawn a bit slower to simulate rainfall. And that allows your lawn to absorb the water better. And also, if you're curious, I am recording this video with the Sony RX100 Mark VII. It's an awesome YouTube camera and for making videos. And what's also nice is you can plug in a microphone, as I'm using the Rode lavalier with the TRRS to TRS adapter. Rode also now sells the Rode lavalier Go if you don't want to have to worry about using an adapter. Now stay tuned for the follow-up video, and I'll let you know if any of this part of my lawn looks better. Thank you guys so much for watching, and have a great day. And if you're not subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. And remember, I'll have links down below to a lot of the items mentioned in this video. See you in the next one. Peace.